Мрамор в красных ваннах, граммы стиля, наша мать.
Hello YouTube, this is Anthony, and today I'm going to teach you how you can create this type of GIF files, GIF pictures from any of your favorite YouTube video. You can cut the clip and you can just create that clip or convert that clip into this sort of GIF files. So let's go to Google or any of your browser and open up the video that you want to get a GIF file from. So simply go to the URL, and after www dot you need to type GIF, either in capital or in small letters, whatever you want, and then hit enter. After that, the whole YouTube website will be redirected to gifs.com, that is GIFS.com, and it will process your video and will create a timeline at the bottom, and you can just click on the timeline anywhere and you can see selection is there. You can simply drag and slide this direction, this selection to any point where you want to cut the clip and create GIF. So you can also enlarge and make it small as well. So suppose I want this selection as my GIF. Not that perfect. Now let me select a different one. Okay, this one is perfect. So once you are happy with your selection, then just click on create GIF at the top right corner, this button, and once you click on that, it will ask you to fill some informations. You can simply click on next and click on no thanks. So there we go. You just created a GIF file, and if you want to download it, simply click on copy this one, direct link, and open up your browser, new tab on your browser, and paste in that link and hit enter. So you will be able to see this GIF file playing in front of you. Give a single right click on this GIF and click on save image as, and you should make sure that save as type should be GIF, that is GIF.